The European Union Artificial Intelligence Act is part of a broader regulatory framework supported by a number of directives that are designed to act as a complement to the regulation. When we look at it as a visualised model like we can see here, we can start to see the number of organisations, associated regulations and directives that are involved. And whilst it is a regulation within the European Union, it's also a useful reference for those outside of the EU. As artificial intelligence in its many forms is being developed and adopted across government and business landscapes, we need to be aware of the impact on our own systems, processes, people and stakeholders. It can help to understand the complex interweave of regulation, direction, governance framework and risk guardrails that are required. We all know that history is a great teacher. And what we learn from history is that it's often the most unprepared that are the most affected by change. And as AI technologies are developed and deployed, we need to consider the adaptation of existing policies, frameworks and systems to ensure appropriate guardrails are in place and determine how we manage AI vendor responsibility and accountability. As with all new technologies, there's an upside and a downside, and every organisation needs to determine the upside for itself and to be able to manage any downside risk and any unintended consequences. As we can see, the European Union AI regulation provides a great starting point, and when we visualise it in this way, we can see just how much work is ahead of us.